Hey y'all, welcome back to Avery's Apron. My name is Avery and we are back today to try out a viral recipe, okay? I have been seeing this recipe all over TikTok, all over Pinterest, and it is the recipe for the strawberry shortcake crumbles, okay? Apparently, these taste just like that ice cream bar that we all know and love, all right? And the recipe is super simple. It's literally only 3 ingredients: golden Oreos, strawberry jello, and butter, okay? Well, the strawberry jello powder, I should say, okay? But it's literally just those 3 ingredients, and we're gonna try it out, okay? So I'm starting off by crumbling up a bunch of Oreos. So in this first batch, I'm gonna do about 25. So I'm going to do 10 for the first go around and then 15 for the second go around. And then I will show you what I am going to do next. Okay, first batch of cookies is nice and crumbled. I went ahead and melted my butter in the microwave, and now we are going to flavor these crumbles up with that strawberry jello, okay? So initially I only went in with half the packet of jello because I was just honestly a little bit afraid to use all of it. I didn't want it to be overpowering or too strong. So I went in with half the packet of jello and half of the butter, okay? And I gave that a stir, and after stirring it for a little bit, I realized I needed all of the jello packets. So I added in the rest of it and the rest of the butter as well, and I stirred that until combined. Also, you do not have to do this step in a bowl if you have a large enough food processor, okay? As you can see, my food processor is tiny, so I had to do everything in batches. I couldn't really mix everything together at once, but if you have an average size food processor, you can throw in your Oreos and your melted butter and your jello packet and just blend everything till it's well combined, okay? But now that everything is mixed well for me, I've got the sheet pan here, and I've got it lined with parchment paper, and I'm just going to spread my cookie crumbles into one even layer, and this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for 10 minutes, okay? While that was in the oven, I went ahead and crumbled up about 20 more Oreos, okay? And this is just going to be like that vanilla aspect of the crumbles, okay? So we're going to mix this in with the strawberry crumbles when they are finished. Alright, now for the strawberry crumbles. After I took them out of the oven, I allowed them to cool for a bit, and as you can see, they kind of became like solid, like they got stuck together again as they were baking in the oven. So I'm just throwing them back in the processor to crumble them up again, and we are going to go ahead and mix these with the vanilla crumbles that we made. Alright, you guys, we are in the home stretch of this video. I'm just folding in the last of those vanilla crumbles that I had, okay? And that's it. You can store these in an airtight container. You can store them in a Ziploc bag. I stored mine in a Ziploc bag, and they kept perfectly fine, okay? But yes, you can use these as a garnish for your ice cream sundaes. You can make your own strawberry shortcake ice cream bars with these. Personally, I topped a strawberry ice cream cake with them, okay? I made a little homemade strawberry ice cream cake for my family, and this is what I used as my garnish. If you'd like the recipe to the ice cream cake that I made, I will link it down below. I did tweak the recipe a little bit, but I'll still share it with you, okay? But yeah, I'm just topping my cake with this. I'm gonna put on a couple of extra golden Oreos for some decoration. All right, and honestly guys, this recipe is a 10 out of 10 for me. It definitely tastes just like those store-bought ice cream bars, okay? But you can stay tuned to the end if you want to get other people's opinion. My brother tried it for you guys, and my sister did too. So stay tuned to the end to find out what they think. But yes, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new, and I will talk to you all in my next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. We've got Danielle here. She is my taste tester for today. Take a bite. This is her favorite. The strawberry shortcake is her favorite ice cream bar. So, ooh, the camera. So sorry for the shakiness.
That's good.
Really? I did a little white chocolate drizzle on the top.
That crunch tastes just like the ice cream.
Oh,
I like that. That's good.
So TikTok didn't lie. That's where I got the recipe. TikTok and Pinterest is a combination of the two.
I like that.
Okay, excellent. Okay, you know I always ask, scale 1 to 10.
We'll give it a solid 8.
Oh, thank you, thank you. It's got a piece today. Cake's still a little frozen.
No, it's actually pretty soft.
Okay. How's the crumble? Have you ever had the strawberry shortcake ice cream bar before? Okay.
It tastes just like them.
Ooh, that's what Danielle said. I got the recipe I was telling her from TikTok.
Yeah, it tastes just like them.
So what do you give it out of 10?
I give it a 10.
Wow, thanks.